Hey guys, if your DoorDash account suddenly gets deactivated, don't panic. You can often get it restored. Here's exactly what you need to do. Check the email from DoorDash. It will usually explain why your account was deactivated. It might be for background check issue, low customer rating, or fraud flag. Go to DoorDash deactivation appeal form. Search DoorDash appeal or visit their official help site. Fill out the form carefully. Include your name, email, and Dasher ID found in your old pay statements or app. Write a clear and calm explanation. Be polite. Explain if it was a misunderstanding, a false report, or a system glitch. Attach proof if needed. Screenshots, delivery confirmations, or photos help your case. Wait for the response. It usually takes 3 to 7 business days. So, if you don't hear back after a week, you can follow up by replying to the same email thread or contacting DoorDash support on Twitter or X. Pro tip, keep your rating above 4.2 and avoid multiple late orders. DoorDash's algorithm flags those fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.